Today, we are going to finish our last topic, that is unemployment. Unemployment exists when a person 15 to 59 years of age who is willing to work at acceptable wages cannot find a job. Such a person called an unemployed person. The form of unemployment is different in rural and urban areas. In village, people usually face seasonal unemployment or disguised unemployment. On the other hand, in large towns and cities, people face educational unemployment. Seasonal unemployment occurs when people cannot find work few months in a year. Seasonal unemployment mostly faced by farm laborers in rural areas. These people have lots of work during sowing and harvesting seasons. However, there is little or no crop in the month in between. Thus, farm laborers are seasonally unemployed. Disguised unemployment occurs when people appear to be employed but do not increase the production at their place of work. To understand disguised unemployment, let us take an example. Ramdeen, a farmer who worked in his field. His son also worked in the same field. Ramdeen field is small. It required the labor of only 3 people, but actually 5 people are employed on it. The work of two extra person does not increase the productivity from the field. Thus, 2 people in Ramdeen family faced disguised unemployment. They just appear to be employed. Is this clear? Okay. Disguised unemployment is easier to bear because each person has share in the produce. However, this sharing does not improve the condition of the family. Eventually, people facing disguised unemployment have to find other work where they can be actually productive. Now, next is educational unemployment. The unemployment faced by people who are matriculate, graduates, and postgraduates is called educated unemployment. Studies suggested that there are more unemployed graduates, postgraduates than unemployed matriculates. Thus, manpower situation in India shows the conflicting picture. While there is a growing demand of technically qualified people to boost India's economic growth, we also see so many technically qualified people being unemployed. Unemployment is a cause of many social evils. It wastes precious human resource, making people hopeless, victims of depression, and a liability to the nation. Unemployment creates what is called an economic overload. This is a situation where a small percentage of the employed population support a large percentage of unemployed people. Unemployed person cannot provide healthy, nutritious food to his family. Thus, it leads to decline in the health of people and overall deterioration in the quality of life. In some cases, parents have to willingly withdraw their children from the school where they can't afford their education due to unemployment. High rates of unemployment indicate sick, sluggish economy. Thus, unemployment not only affects an individual but has a negative impact on the overall economy of a nation. Now, you can see in this graph that at 68%, the unemployment rate of India is comparatively low in the world. However, many people in India do not get the opportunity to work at their full potential and to earn that they deserve. Is this clear to all? Okay, that's the end of this chapter.